Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am making Valentine's Day decorations for my office, okay? And what I had an idea is to, one, I want to make a, thinking of the word here, streamer, banner, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, so I'm gonna think of the word right now. I want to make garland, and then I'm gonna have a mailbox, and my idea is to for 14 days of February up until Valentine's Day, I want to put candy in a mailbox, right? So I found a cute mailbox on at the Dollar Tree that I'm going to use. I'll show you in a moment. And so I'm gonna make a little banner with some hearts here, okay, so I can hang up. And then what else? And like I said, I want to put treats every day, you know, chocolate, and have, so anyone walking by, they can go ahead and grab themselves a treat, you know. So I thought this was a cute idea, and yeah, so let's get started. So I have some of these felt hearts and some glitter ones that I got from the Dollar Tree, and then I got this from Michael's, the ribbon or streamer, whatever you want to call. I think this is ribbon. This is ribbon. Look, I'm all over the place. I know I'm new at this, so bear with me. Anyway, twine. Okay, I got this from the Dollar Tree, and I mean Michael's, and it was on sale. They had an 80% off sale, or was it 60? And so this is actually Christmas twine. So I thought it was cute, and why not? It's on sale. So let me show you. I got this. They only have 2 left. So I found this mailbox, and I wanted to redecorate it for some reason. Actually, I mean, it's cute itself, but you see how it's like, it got glue and stuff. It says, "Be My Valentine's." And I kind of wanted to redecorate it, but what y'all think? I don't know. I'll figure it out. Anywho, so just to get started here, y'all know I cook, so I just finished rinsing off some veggies, so excuse me. Okay, so basically what I want to do is I'm just gonna hot glue this to place it in the middle here. On there. Trying to be as straight as I can be, right? And then my intention was to glue it to the streamer here, the garland. Okay, so we're gonna see how this works out. And so just go ahead and continue gluing, you know, and I'm trying to make the videos short, not too long. I don't know, I've been having fun. I'm being honest with you guys. I've been having a great time doing the DIYs with a group of other content creators and having fun. So I hope you've been enjoying that. And I'm planning on doing more and more, so stay tuned. So I've been having fun and enjoying it. And the thing is about crafting, whether you knew or not, just enjoy yourself, have fun with it. You know, things aren't going to get perfect, but perfect. And as you go along, you know what I mean, you'll get better and better with time. That's like anything, you know, that new job or new mom, you know, becoming a mother, you know, a new mother, a new mom, and you get better and better in time, and you just learn and adjust and be creative as you go along with each project. So I'm having fun with it, and I'm having fun creating these videos for you all. So thank y'all so much for being here with me and rocking out with the channel. I hope you're enjoying the content thus far, and I hope that you'll join me on some of my crafting lives that I have with a few other content creators. Whether you're a subscriber or a content creator, I would love to have you on the channel and come have fun with us and share some of your ideas, some of your skill sets. You know, it's all about using your imagination, right? When you get more and more creative, you watch videos and learn different things. So I'm gonna finish doing these and be back with the next step to my project, because I really don't know what I really wanted to do, but I'm just creating as I go. Okay, so now that I finished gluing all our hearts together, now we're going to go ahead and hot glue the heart to the garland. So this will take really simple. It's easy. Just make sure it glue and give it time to cool off, stick it to the back, and so on and so on until we're finished. I had to think about my cubicle size. I didn't realize that I didn't measure it, so I'm just going by eye, and I cut as much as I thought I needed and went with the flow, y'all. So that's what we're doing here, sticking each and every one to the garland, and then we'll move on to the next step. Okay, so we are almost complete. So I'm finishing up and we'll move on to the next step. All right, we are done. Okay, we are done with this. Everything is glued down. Now I want to work on my mailbox, and somewhere I just want some glitter somewhere here, right? And yeah, you see how the paper look washed out? So I want to do some dazzle, you know, a little bit on the top, and maybe around there. I added this heart here, so maybe do some, you know, magic around here somewhere. All right, y'all, I hope I don't mess this up, but I'm gonna put some glitter on top and then glitter in the front. I tried to cover this as much as I can, and I'm gonna do the sides as well and glitter around. Okay, we want to glitter around this stuff. All right, so that's my goal for this. And so I'm gonna glitter the red and red glitter, and I have some Mod Podge here, the matte, and of course my brush. And we're going to simply start. I put some painter's tape there so that I don't cover the lines. So let's see how this goes. You know, we're just working together. Look, real simple, and trying to make it do what it do, right? So we're gonna gently, you know, start applying the Mod Podge. So I try to not go over the line the best that I can, okay? And now let's go ahead and start sprinkling. Ooh, these holes are serious, huh? You know? I'm trying to color in all the spaces where I applied the Mod Podge. And hopefully we get a great stick. And then, of course, I'm going to go on a line, you know. But if I don't do this correctly, this is nothing on the brush, okay? It's just to help brush the excess. Sprinkles from where it is. And trying to get as much as I can, okay? And so we're going to see how this turns out, okay? I'm going to try to keep the lines there as much as I can. And of course, I'm going to go over it in the empty spots. So I'm going to keep the lines as much as I can. And then, you know, go in for an update on the rest. So should have probably, oops. And I'm going to wipe a little bit where I went over. But we're trying to keep it within the lines, guys, in the lines. And then probably go find me a thinner brush. It's gonna go over. Hey guys, my camera died, so I finished up this. So I just glittered that. I glittered this. And I put this on there. I bought these from the Dollar Tree. It came 4 in a pack. And I just put one of the felt hearts on there. So this is that. I don't know. I just was like, okay, I'm done with this. Okay, I'm finished. That is it for the mailbox. Okay. And so then I'm going to use one of these that I brought from the Dollar Tree to decorate the office area. And then I have the chalk writer, so I can write day 1, day 2. We're already past day 3, 1, 2, and 3. So each day I'm gonna write with this chalk writer that I got from Dollar Tree as well, and put the days. I thought it would be cute and fun, you know. So these are the goodies. I picked up these from Rite Aid. So these are the goodies that I'm gonna put in the mailbox. Okay. I love me some Dove chocolate. Okay. Now, I thought this was cute, and I brought some New York patties. I gave my daughter some. You see the bag is open. But it's cute. You got the red, and it's dark chocolate. So you got the red and pink packages, right? And then I got some Snickers from Dollar Tree, mini Snickers. So yeah, guys, this is it. My Valentine decoration. I'll take a picture when I set up at work and post it on the community wall. So I hope you enjoyed this crafting vlog, vlog and video. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Leave me a comment down below. I love conversing with you all. And thank you so much. And if you're new here, welcome, and welcome back to the channel. Stay tuned for the next video. Later. So I decided to take a quick video of how it looks at my job. Yeah, so this is it. And then I put the mailbox up there and I erased the day off because this is the next day. So I'll be adding the dates up there. So thanks for watching. Just a little sneak peek.